Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Volkswagen Atlas. First, make sure your key fob is inside the vehicle. The Atlas uses a push-button start system, which requires the key fob to be detected within the cabin. You can keep it in your pocket, a purse, or one of the convenient cup holders. Without the key fob present, the engine will not engage, so this is a crucial first step for a smooth start every time. Once your key fob is securely inside, the next step is to start the engine. With your right foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental starting. Then, locate the engine start/stop button, typically found on the dashboard near the steering wheel. Press this button once, and your Volkswagen Atlas engine will smoothly come to life, ready for your journey. If your Atlas doesn't start immediately, don't worry, there are a few things to check. First, confirm the brake pedal is fully depressed. Sometimes, a light press isn't enough. Also, consider the key fob battery. A low battery can prevent detection. If the engine cranks slowly or not at all, your vehicle's main battery might be low. These simple checks can often resolve common starting issues quickly. After your drive, turning off your Volkswagen Atlas is just as straightforward. First, bring your vehicle to a complete stop in a safe and appropriate parking spot. Next, shift the transmission into the park position. Finally, simply press the engine start/stop button one more time. The engine will shut down, and you can then remove your key fob and exit the vehicle, knowing it's securely off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.